In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wayback Machine to Chrome. If you've ever wanted to quickly check an older version of a web page, the Wayback Machine from the Internet Archive makes that easy, and adding it to Chrome takes just a minute. I'll walk you through the recommended method, explain what to expect during installation, and show you how to make sure the button is visible on your toolbar. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. We're going to use the Chrome Web Store, which is the safest and most straightforward way to get extensions. In the address bar, type Chrome Web Store, or go directly to the store if you've bookmarked it. Once you're there, use the search box to type Wayback Machine. In the results, look for the official extension from the Internet Archive. You'll recognize it by the developer name listed as Internet Archive. Choosing the official one ensures you're installing a trusted tool. Click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will pop up asking for permission to add the extension. Click Add Extension to approve. Chrome will download the files and install the extension automatically. This usually takes just a few seconds, and you might see a brief notification confirming that the Wayback Machine has been added. After it installs, look to the top right corner of Chrome. You may see the Wayback Machine icon appear there. If you don't see it immediately, that's normal. Chrome sometimes tucks new extensions into the extensions menu. Click the puzzle-shaped extensions button, find Wayback Machine in the list, and click the pin icon to keep it on your toolbar. Pinning it makes it easy to access whenever you need it. If the extension still doesn't show up, here's a quick fix. In a new tab, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter. This opens your extensions page. Scroll to find Wayback Machine and make sure the toggle is switched on. If it's off, click it to enable the extension. Once it's enabled, return to the puzzle-shaped extensions button and pin it so the icon stays visible next to your address bar. That's it. You've added the Wayback Machine to Chrome and you're ready to go. Keeping the icon pinned means you'll have one-click access whenever you want to check archived versions of pages. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, feel free to share it with someone who could use a quick way to look back at the history of the web.